Okay, wait. Wait just a second. Hi everybody, I'm back. Yes, already. Aren't you so happy to see me again? I'm so happy to see you. Welcome to my channel, and I have a package I got in the mail today, and I'm excited to share it with you. It's a big doll. It's a big one. And I'm hoping it's not one I've already ordered, because I do order duplicates. Let's hope not. But either way, go with the ride with me to open it up, and let's have some fun to see what's in here, okay? So we're going to look at it, and I'll test it. I'll show you some stuff about it, review it, because these dolls come from China, from AliExpress. They take forever to get here. And it's here. Are you ready? You bet you are. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. We're going to open this baby up. Okay, wait. Wait just a second. Before I open this doll up, I wanted to show you guys some other things I make. I make all kinds of things. I have all kinds of Etsy shops and blah, blah, blah. I stay very busy. This is something else that I make. Look at these. Is this not cool? Can you see it? It's a pipe lamp. I make pipe lamps. Yes, I do. I make pipe lamps. And they have little dimmer switches so you can brighten or dim them. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I'm telling you. Here's one I made recently also. It's one I call a guy on a bar stool. Yep, that's it. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Don't you just love him? I mean, seriously, he's adorable. And he also has the dimmer switch so he can get bright. Blinding, or he can get dim. And you can shut them off on these dim switches, or you can shut them off here. So cool. Okay, I just wanted to share those with you guys. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta get my scissors. They just fell down. Actually, so did my thing to record with. Okay, hang on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, everything's cool. Accidents happen. A lot of accidents happen around me, I know. But if any of you know Bob Ross, you know that he always says there are no mistakes, only happy accidents, and I have a lot of those puppies. Okay, I'm going to move this camera down a little bit, so hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. We're ready. We're ready, 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 ready. We're going to open up the package. Open up the package. Open up the package today. Okay, you don't want to hear that, right? Okay. All right, okay, cool. I love these dolls so much. Don't you just love these dolls? Don't you love getting stuff in the mail? You'll get packages in the mail, not junk mail. Nobody wants junk mail. We all hate junk mail. But don't you love, just love, getting a package in the mail? I mean, I love my mailman. I love him. My husband was on his way to work, and he texted me and said, there's something hanging out of the mailbox. It's a package. Could be a doll. So I ran out there. It is a doll. It is. See its face? See? It's a doll. It's a doll. It's a doll. I don't know what I'm doing singing for. I'm in some kind of weird singing mood. I can't. Come on, okay. Oh, it's got more tape. Why would they put more tape on it? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. That looks like duct tape. It's thinner than duct tape, but it looks. Doesn't that look like duct tape? It looks like duct tape to me, too. Duct tape. Oh my gosh. Easy to get open, and other times they're freaking pain in the freaking tushy. These are freaking pain. This one in the tushy. Come over there. my gosh, I'm going to get another doll from China by the time this one gets off here. Okay, yay, okay. I don't have this doll. Yay, this is a doll I don't have. This is a doll I don't have. The doll I don't have. Okay. Man, I do like the bubble wrap that they mail these in. I mean, it's good. This is probably better than boxes, actually. I don't like the tape. Oh, that's a different tape. There's another tape. Tape everywhere. Tape here, tape there, tape everywhere. Oh my gosh, more freaking tape. Are you kidding me? Are you ready to go to sleep? I mean, it's taking me so freaking long to get this open. You're probably taking a nap. I'll probably have to cut a bunch of that out. But look, look, you don't have to take a nap because she's free. Oh, she's cool. She's got the body like the elf doll does that I have. She's so cool. Look at that. Ta-da! Yeah, she's got the same kind of bend. Okay, I had to stop and fix my camera. I fixed my hair. Okay, anyway. I got you now viewed where you can see the doll. You can see all of her. She's so cool. Isn't she cool? Stand up there. Oh, and I just realized something. Oh, I do have her. It's another elf doll. I was wrong. I do have this doll. The difference between this elf doll and the other elf doll that I have is the other one came dirty and all that stuff, and this one is even dirtier. What is it with these dolls? And she's got the same like split in the back of her head. I mean, seriously, it's like the same as the last one. Can you see that? In the back of her head there, it's dirty and it's like a cut. So, what's up? What's up with that? I mean, the last one we said it looked like it had snot. This one looks like snot smeared all over it, so I'm going to have to clean her inside. See in there? Can you see that? It's like all dirty inside. Inside her head's all dirty. The body looks pretty good. You know, I think I did order this from the very same place I ordered the last one. The price is like excellent. Okay, I'm back. Obviously, it's just recording. One of the things that I wanted to show you about these dolls. Man, this doll's got like spots all over her. It's not exactly clean. But that you have to be careful with these dolls because you know, they're not the best made dolls in the world. They're not horrible made dolls. As long as you're taken care of, these dolls will last you. But me, I got a little too what is the word I'm looking for? A little too rough, I guess you want to say. I was trying some stuff out to see her abilities, and I broke my last elf doll, so it's a good thing I got one in. So you can see, this shows you, if you look right here, let me pull these toys off. This is how the doll is made. See that hole in there? That little piece goes in there. And that is what this doll uses alone to turn around. So if you try to push this too far back or too far up, you're going to break it. Chicken nuts! Okay, I'll stop. But anyway, as I was telling you about this doll, be very careful. They do have limits. They do move around a lot, though. I mean, they are really cool if you don't get abusive with them like I did. So, anyway. Oh, I'm going to put her clothes on her. Yeah, she won't be naked. Sorry about the position there. Get her all dressed up here so you won't have to see a naked doll. Oops, that is not the way she gets dressed. One leg per hole. That was some work. We're tired. I just noticed the difference between this one and the other one, because I'm like real sharp like that, is that this one doesn't have any eyes. She was ordered that way, because I wanted to put her, have Pat to make her some eyes to put in. So, there she is with some clothes on. She's so cute. Isn't she cute though? I mean, she really is quite cute. Can make her stand and position her in some pretty cool ways. Stand up, girl. I'm bragging on you. Okay, she's cool. But, like I said, this one came with eyes. This one did not. And in order to insert eyes in these dolls, you will have to melt these, heat these sections up with the blow dryer like I did with the head, and then you have to push the eyes in from the outside, pop them in there. Okay, so I wanted to show that to you because I wanted you to see that you do have to be careful with these dolls. Of course, you have to be careful with all BJD dolls. You know, the string dolls, you can easily break one of those too. I'm not saying you have to treat these dolls like they're little delicate things, because you do not. Just don't go crazy like I did. Pulling the leg way up and I heard it pop and I was like, oh, I should have known better, but I don't. So anyway, she's still really, really cool and I like her a whole lot. I love the size of these dolls because they're more fun to make clothes, costumes, accessories for. So I'm going to clean her up. She's got nasties on her head. It's cool though. It's cool what she can and cannot, or what she can do, not what she can't do. She can do some pretty good positions there, you know. Watch me mess around and break her again. She cannot do the splits unless, you know, and she can't do that like that either because her leg won't, this leg won't go all the way back. But she's still a really cool doll to do some really cool positions with. Don't you agree? I think she's cool. She cannot cross her legs. Sorry. She, when she sits down like this, you can't really bring her knees up. Or you can a little bit, but you can't bring her forward because she leans back like she's going to fall over. So you can do a little bit. Her feet do move. That's about as much as you can get her knees to bend. About as far up as she goes. About as far back as she goes. She does have this, the ability. Oh, hi. Hi. Okay. Football. I don't know. Anyway, she does have that ability. Her arms are better because they do turn a lot. I mean, you have some really good abilities with her arms to do stuff, which I like a lot. So that's really, really cool. She's cool though, don't you admit? Isn't she really, really cute? They do have the very, very, very same identical faces. The only difference is this one has been painted and has eyes and eyelashes, and this one does not have any at all. See? So that means this one's an open book. You can do whatever you want with her. This one is a story that's already been told. I mean, you can still do what you want with her. Just take a little acetone, clean her all up, and start over. That's what we do, and that's what we'll do with her. Well, not with her. I'm going to remove her head because I've ordered her a new body, and this body will go bye-bye in the trash can. Okay. So anyway, I wanted to share another video with you. I was excited to see I had another doll. And even though I already had one like this, it was kind of different because, again, this one comes clean slate. You can choose that with the dolls, and they're a little bit cheaper if you get them like this without, if you buy them without the eyes and makeup and stuff, they're a little cheaper. So I may have got this one from a different company than I got this other one. So I'll look that up and I'll add that in the at the bottom of the screen. So you'll see that when you see this, you'll get to see that. And anyway, I guess that's about all I have to say on this video about her. She is a tall doll. She's 60 centimeters, which is almost 24 inches tall. That's almost 2 feet. That's a good sized doll. She does have the elf ears. So anyway, the dolls are cool. They can wear the same size clothes as a smart doll. The only difference is if you get the large boobs, if you buy the large boobs in the smart dolls, it's going to be a little stretched out for these dolls. But they do fit the very same clothes. So they just don't have as big hips or whatever, you know, as kind of more normal body dolls than the smart dolls. But they can wear smart doll clothes, or clothes that you make for her can fit a smart doll pretty good, pretty close. Okay, so this is all. I guess I've showed you quite a bit on this doll. She's really, really cool. I hope you order one because I think you'll like her. I will also do a video of her when we get her done, whatever we decide to do with her. We have a male version of her that's not an elf, but we are really close to getting him completely done. He is really cool, and I will show him on a video whenever he gets done. So, take care, be safe, and thank you for watching another opening or unboxing, one of my doll unboxings. I appreciate it, and hope to have another one soon. To show your friends the videos, pass it on, and if you like this one, then hit the thumbs up. I appreciate that, and until next time, bye.